guys, welcome back to another one. And this time I'm gonna be working with this Veloster. I already replaced the spark plugs, the spark wires, or the ignition coils. Um, I check almost everything, but I keep having a misfire. So, and the misfire is on cylinder number one. I check compression too, so everything is good, minus the injector. So I'm gonna be replacing the injector to see if it works, because when you are in low RPMs, the car runs fine. I can go all the way to 100 miles per hour if I want to. But when you step on it, that's when the car starts like shaking like crazy, and when you let go, it starts running good again. So for me, I'm thinking it has to be fuel related, because it's only in one cylinder that happens. It doesn't happen in third, because one and third they're running in sequence, and two and four everything is fine. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be showing, or I'm gonna be trying to show the best way or the easiest way how to replace this or remove it. It's a little bit, you have to remove a lot of stuff, but I'm trying not to. So I'm gonna be showing you, and you guys, if you wanna copy this, it's up to you guys. If this happens to you guys. All right, at this point, I got enough space to try to remove it, hopefully, if I can remove it like this. But you need to lose this line over here and over here, and then so you can lose the rest. And now, if you grab it with a strap, trying to pull it the most that you can without damaging nothing, and you will have enough space, hopefully, to work on it. All right, guys. So what I find out, it might be the issue. None of these fuel injectors, it doesn't got this seal. This seal goes like this over here, like that. So none of those it got one. So I'm gonna need to buy them. I don't have extra. So I'm gonna be putting it like this, but I will be removing it again in another time. It's just that I need to move this car from the way. But at least I replaced the injector. This one is clean and everything. This one's, they seem kind of dirty. So when I remove them again, I'm just gonna take them to a cleaner shop just to make sure that they're good. I know it's gonna be double work, but the thing is I need to move this car ASAP. So that's why I'm gonna be doing it. But if you guys are working on this, make sure that you guys got this seal, and if not, check over here inside, and they should be going with this metal part like this down, so with the cap towards down. If you put it backwards, it will start leaking. So like I said, put those rings, because if not, you're gonna be leaking fuel. I know I'm gonna be leaking fuel, but like I need to move this. I'm gonna start it to make sure that it's not leaking no gas. I don't smell no fuel leak right now, but I know I need to replace that or fix that. All right, I'm gonna step on it to see if I smell something. If not, then it will be done. All right, guys. So that's how you can swap that. I know I'm missing to put the fog lights to connect them, and then the little plastic in this corner because this one is broken. But that's it for this. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.